Hi you guys, this is Kiki, owner of Self Care Apparel, and we're back with another video. And today's video, y'all, is just gonna be a mini vlog day in my life. I just got off of work. Let's see, we're leaving it right now. I want to tell y'all something. I want to try out Canva. I want to try that out, you know, because I've been smelling it. The food smells so great. I just want to try it, you know. About to head home. I got a couple things I need to do for inventory. I gotta cook. So that's one. I do some cooking. And yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all right to that. Please, I see y'all when we get home. Okay, guys, we're back, and we're gonna really focus our attention over here in my business section. Barry over here. Get y'all straight over here. Reason why I said I want to focus myself over here, because it's stuff over here that I need to get entertainment at. I don't know, I might go out, y'all, so I might vlog this whole day like I should. I just want to put stuff in these bins where it needs to be going, and stuff that don't need to go in these bins that may be in here. So get this cleaned out and all that stuff. Put this in there. My vinyl, they still gotta go somewhere because they're not staying in this bin. They gotta go somewhere. So this is gonna be a free agent. Don't know about these. I'm gonna put these somewhere. Those three things are free agent. This also stays back up in there because that's where I want that to be. I make stuff away for right now. For right now, this thing's over here. I can't wait till that fish is done. Now that is trash. What else we're gonna get into? What else we're gonna get into today? Let's see. What I plan on doing, this is my sugar, y'all. My sugar gotta go over here. Alright, set me away from my sugar. And I'm using my board. Let's see. My wrist is not that big. It's a B board, by the way. So, oh, y'all can't even see me putting my B board together. My B board. One of my charms have fell out. I guess I wait my turn with that one. But this is my bead board, y'all. This is what I'm going to be making these bracelets with. We have I have got our new, I'm bringing bangles to the team. Oh Lord. So this is what the bangles look like. They also have silver, gold. This is an extra plier tool I have one already, but mine is in pink. So that's an extra plus for me because I'm tired of my nails getting broken by them. So I got two things that I can open it up with. I guess these are the charms that I get with this. This is so cute. Yeah, there go the charms I get with it. Extra charms. And this thing that's on my finger is to open up these. Which is why I say it's a plus, because I got 3 things now I can open up without having my nails being broken. Which is a huge plus for me. I might take these out and place them in a separate bag. I got those. That's what I might do. And these are my new charms. These are my new charms, my Zodiac charms. So if you see your Zodiac, bringing out the Zodiac bracelet. I might do them beaded. I might do them in bangles. So stay tuned for that. Also, stay tuned for us getting back in the lab. I do know I'm about to do some sugar scrubs, some lotion. So yeah, stay tuned for all that. So let's get into the real reason. Let me see if this bag will close now. Y'all, I had struggled with this bag not wanting to close. So it's not because of this being in. It's just a faulty zipper issue. Okay, just like I said, it's just gonna have to stay open. All that. It's a faulty thing. Alright. Now my idea of shopping. When it comes down to, I don't have. That's the thing. I don't have Temu on here. Because Temu is really where I get my shit from. It's really where. Look at my stuff from. let's get started. That's all I need is two. Alright, guys, I'll be back when I have on is string ready to tie, and I'll show y'all.
Yes, you can, yes.